my god, don't let her in. Don't let her in. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have these two, my favorite men in this world. Yes. My best friend Kevin and my boyfriend Mickey. So I brought these two boys on my channel to see who could do my makeup better, my boyfriend Mickey or my best friend Kevin. I think we know who has more makeup experience, but...
You guys are no fun!
Watch me win, watch me destroy
I thought this
you.
would be a fun video for us to do just regardless. You guys loved the last Who Knows Me Better challenge, which Kevin also won.
I'm just gonna win all the challenges.
Yeah, well, I've known her longer than him, so whatever. He has this side of my face, Kevin has this side of my face, and we're going to see who can beat my face better because
Let's get it.
pretty much. Who's gonna be my next makeup artist?
Okay, hire me for your red carpet events.
Yes, when I feel like I can't do my makeup. Also, go check out their channels. I'll leave a link in the description, and we filmed a video over on Kevin's channel, so I'll go leave that link in the description as well.
I transformed him.
Yes,
into a K-pop idol.
Yes!
Kind of flopped.
Bitch. I transformed into women. Transformed, what else have I tried? Transformed into
Literally, that's it.
Literally, that's it. So we can add the BTS K-pop idol to the list. Go check out that video on his channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, you guys, we got all the makeup in front of us right here. It's off camera. Literally, there's so much.
There's only one beauty blender. I called it.
Yeah, girl, you gotta fight to the death.
Hunger Games, makeup edition.
Makeup edition. Also, you guys, if you're wondering why my nails are so damn long, I got them done for my Halloween costume and I haven't gotten a chance to go back to the nail salon to get them shortened. So, girl, these claws.
You regret them?
Bitch, I can't do anything. I can't even text on my phone. Like my whole hand is so big now.
They say if your hand's bigger than your face, then you're an idiot.
Okay.
You fell for it.
I didn't know. I
literally
didn't know.
pushed your hands.
I have for you the entire time.
All right, guys. Let's just do it. Kevin already got the beauty blender, so he's winning.
I feel so rushed for some reason. Okay. The good thing that Kevin's gonna do is I can just watch what he does and then copy it.
Kevin grabbed the primer, Mickey grabbed the translucent powder.
Let him do what he wants to do.
Oh, he went in for the Tatcha.
And
Okay,
this is
so you got
favorite
the
one.
Oh, you see my favorite.
What the hell? Look at my hair.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh!
Who is she? I put a lot of sriracha in my ramen and then it splashed in my eye and my eye burned like all night last night. And I just had to
Oh, I
sit
love
there
that
and
video. Alright, we are priming. Oh, Kevin is already in foundation.
Yes, honey, squirt. Oh, okay. I forgot I'm doing half his face. Whoops. And a boop. Oh!
Oh. We'll use the same eyeshadow palette because I think this one's so diverse. It has so many different shades and shit.
Okay.
We'll use this one. Y'all can decide which colors. I cannot believe you are going in with that brush. There's maybe 1,000 brushes in front of you.
What's the difference?
Density, length.
Ooh, density, length, girth,
All
width.
You like that?
I feel like I'm getting my makeup done like so, like, it's like such a weird experience having
Like
two
two
people at,
different
yeah.
materials on
Two
your face,
people
yeah.
at once. Oh, foundation's already done. Oh my god, you guys are quick.
Yes.
Oh, he's grabbing a different brush now. Okay.
No cheating.
I'm just seeing how yours looks. So far, I literally hate what Mickey's doing. It feels so bad.
Do you have any like white concealer?
Well, I mean, you could go grab concealer from different shades.
I'm taking advantage of this one-on-one time now.
Kevin gets an advantage because Mickey is leaving the competition. Oh, honey, you already on bronzer, girl. You better hurry, girl. He literally used a powder brush for my foundation.
So Jake and I actually dressed as like a duo for Halloween.
Yes, double an angel. You saw the most iconic video of us pussy scenting on my Instagram.
Mm-hmm. That should be a thing. We should like match every Halloween from now on. This was our first Halloween together.
Yes. He literally grabbed a white concealer. What are all those dots? Oh, Mickey grabbed the beauty blender. No more beauty blender for you, girl.
I'm done with her, Henry. We're going with the blush. We're going for a little nice curly. Oh man.
Oh, this is cute. Mickey, it's like a jackhammer is like ramming into my face. That's how hard he's pushing.
I have a special touch of a man. Remember when Mama was like, so you don't use your finger to put on makeup? Do you remember that? My grandma came out here and Jake and her were talking about makeup and she was like,
So you don't use your
she was
finger.
like, so I just use my hands to put on like everything. And Jake was like,
No. Oh, she got highlighter. Okay.
yes, I just want to finish the face first, TBH, to get that done. Is this bronzer?
Okay, going back in with that same powder brush that I used to put on the foundation to do the powder. Now he's using a beauty blender for powder, okay?
Mine actually isn't looking like that awful, like from what it usually looks like.
Yeah, but you better hurry up. There's a 20-minute time limit.
What?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
She broke.
What?
She broke. I'm honestly gonna throw her away because she literally broke and she just keeps getting worse and messy. And
She's still usable.
no, she's messy. She gets like literally everything everywhere.
Look straight. Wait, you can't. You're gay.
So far, just from what I can see on the viewfinder, it looks similar.
I honestly don't know how to do your eyebrows, girl. There is a timer.
12 minutes, 16 seconds.
She surprised me.
Oh, he contoured my nose. Oh, Kevin's dipping into eyeshadow. What color are you using?
We're gonna go for like a romantic date night look so that way they can go out on their own and do their thing and just so I can be, you know, a third wheel. Anyway, close your eye. He just blew all that shit on my face.
See, I feel like Mickey should be getting better because he's done my makeup so many times for videos and stuff, you know? Do you not watch my tutorial?
No.
You don't watch my tutorial?
I have it on so you get the view and then it puts it in other people's activity, but I usually just don't pay attention.
That's what my sister does with my YouTube videos.
Yeah, that's what I do with that.
My god, what a fake bitch. You watch my tutorials. That's why he knows what he's doing.
Well, I don't like makeup. It'd be like you watching like workout videos.
I guess so. I guess that's-
When's the last time you watched my YouTube video?
I've watched all your videos, girl. In fact, actually, the reason I don't watch your YouTube videos is every time I try to watch them, you're like,
Turn it off. Don't watch that.
He watches them and then he makes fun of me.
I don't make fun of you. Oh, girl, this is a moment right here. All these hands.
Whoops.
I'm just going to be blending this like burgundy shade. Like you could go to like a nice little wine vineyard. Oh wait, you're underage, you can't drink.
I actually did like a really good job on your eyebrow. What the fuck?
Don't mind the back of my head, y'all. I have to really get
You know,
into
guys,
this.
I like really think highlight is like the most attractive thing anybody can do. That's my personal favorite, so add a little more. This one kind of looks like a highlight brush, right?
No. I don't even know what kind of brush it is. That's not doing anything. All right, let's do the timer. 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Oh, my goodness. Oh, more concealer. Okay.
You're like vibrating his head. I can't.
Yeah, I know. He's so
like,
hard. Fuck up. It's like a jackhammer. He's pounding my face. Ooh, honey.
It's all coming into place now.
See, you know more than you thought.
I actually don't know. I'm just I'm following the steps Kevin took.
Oh, so she's a copier.
She's cheating.
Lash.
We better hurry. We got 6 minutes, 18 seconds left.
Okay, we're gonna do lash glue. While we let her wait, I am going to find a lip color. Ah!
I'm gonna do like a little Euphoria type look.
Oh, he is dipping into that blue, girl.
Euphoria.
Kevin, can you grab like a white eyeliner?
No, you're in your own team. You're in your own team, girl. We are not teammates.
I love just hearing you over there struggling.
That shit's heavy, girl. It's a lot of makeup. Ooh, a little fire and ice moment, maybe.
Oh.
Todoroki from My Hero Academia is shaking.
That lash glue is going to feed your eye. What color did you just grab? White, green?
White.
That's so much fallout, Mickey.
I know. I knew when I saw him like literally circle that brush in the blue eyeshadow, I said, I'm gonna have so much fallout. I already saw that. I predicted that. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna put lash on.
Nikki, you got 3 minutes, 48 seconds.
I feel like we're on like.
He's going over the fallout with more concealer. Okay, I love that.
I kind of feel like we're on like Cake Boss or like one of those like cooking
Cake
shows. where it's,
Boss.
Like, or you know what I mean? Like you have an hour to make a meal or whatever, and then like.
Can we
hands
do
off?
25?
Hands off.
Can we do 25 minutes, Jade? 20 minutes.
No, girl.
But I'm actually doing like a really good job.
Oh my god. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Oh, we're going up with more foundation over the concealer and highlighter and blush that he already
I
added.
didn't have blush.
Oh my god, you are literally earthquake in his face.
No. Fuck.
When is my opportunity? Look up.
Ooh.
Is this a lip liner or is this an eyeliner?
It's an eyeliner.
Look up, look up.
Oh, yeah, look up in both eyes.
I'm gonna let him use the eyeliner open.
Where are you putting that? Where's that going? Under his eye? I've never seen Euphoria, so I wanna know. Maybe this is just
It's
the
like
look.
kind of, it's like a good, it's not that bad.
It is not Euphoria, girl. 1 minute left, Mickey! 1 minute! You don't even got my lash on.
Okay, I'm done. Hands off. Ooh, a little futuristic moment. He going to space on that side. He going on a date on this side. Watch it be like liquid eyeshadow.
Oh my god, let's hope I don't go blind.
24 seconds.
Where is the lash glue? Who took it? Everything's.
I helped him. I get a bonus point. 9, 8. So literally glue it and just stick it on. 4, 3. Okay, Mickey.
It's
hands
over,
off.
hands off.
Oh, he
That is
did
a
it.
wonky lash.
But he put it on.
And actually on camera, it doesn't look
It
bad.
doesn't look that
It doesn't look bad on camera.
Mickey's, this is Mickey's side. Okay, this is Kevin's side. And now let me get my mirror and let me have a look.
Maybe put your hair down.
Let me have the grand reveal. I can see the viewfinder, but like I can't.
Like in the viewfinder, they both actually look kind of.
Oh. Okay. I love that there's bronzer literally right there. I don't know if that's bronzer, conditioner, makeup just fell off. I love that he put literally white little eyeliner all the way down there. Well, there was bronzer, and then I think he covered it up with concealer. It looks a little splotchy.
But the eyeshadow, I
Because
feel
he
like
did powder, concealer.
What did you put that made it look so silvery and glowy there?
I mixed highlighter and foundation and concealer. But I kind of like it.
I love that there's highlighter literally above my brow. My brow actually does not look bad at all. You actually did a pretty job on my brow.
yeah.
The lip is a little uneven. There's like a huge clump of gloss here.
There's also a piece of eyelash hair.
And then, yeah, then a piece of eyelash hair. Let's get her out of here. I also hated when he was doing my makeup, the brush kept losing its like bristles, and in my foundation it made my face so itchy. My eyes also slightly burning from the lip gloss because I think there's a
Wait, where did you put the gloss?
on my eye.
Oh, the lid?
Yeah, you put the gloss on my lip and my eye, and my eye now burns, and that's probably why the lash.
It's plump. It makes it plump. What does it feel like?
It feels like it's burning. Like
He's putting it on himself. You look like you just ate the Tin Man's ass.
I want to see if it burns.
No, it burns on my eye.
Oh.
It's burning because it's on my eye. It's not burning because it's on my lips. It's burning because it's on my eye. I'm just trying to keep the eyelash on.
It did not look that bad. You moved it.
No, the eyelash fell off, and then I'm trying to keep it back on. All right, let's move over to Kevin's side. Ooh, wow. Oh, I love. It feels lightweight.
It does?
It does. It feels. The foundation feels really nice. It feels lightweight. Doesn't feel heavy. Like Mickey's side feels heavy because there were so many layers. Feels lightweight. The bronzer looks really pretty and natural. The glow is perfect. It's so subtle. Love the lip color. Love the eyes. So blended. I love how it's going out. The eyelash looks a little wonky. It's just a little wonky. I feel like Mickey's side was foundation, then powder, then concealer, then more concealer, then more concealer, then bronzer, then more concealer. So
I feel like compared to my other stuff though, this is a big step up.
Zendaya is so disappointed in your
Besides,
there's eyeliner on my under eye, like all over like my dark.
because I was like, Jake, I'm putting this on, and he goes like this.
Okay, wait, hang on. So the bronzer's so cute, so simple, just a little moment. It looks really blended and perfect. Love the highlighter. Highlighter's so good. The eyebrows are a little natural for me. I would go in a little bit more, but they look good. They look really good. I love the lip color. The lip looks really good. The eyeshadow is blended literally so good.
Oh,
So good.
yay!
Eyeshadow's so good. Otherwise, bitch, it looks good. It looks natural. It looks clean. It looks good.
Date night approved?
Date, yes, girl. I would wear this out, and I would fucking kill it out too.
Yay!
I will also say, Mickey's makeup side is a lot messier than yours.
No.
In all ends, I will say, I think Kevin won.
Yay!
Yes! But
For two!
you guys gotta let us know in the comments who you think won.
Who are they gonna get? What are they?
Ooh,
Wait,
Their comments
no
are
one can.
disabled.
No one can.
no one can comment because they're disabled. Never mind. Yeah, so we'll just go with Kevin as the main winner. Anyway, bitch. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you guys for coming back on my channel.
Always a pleasure.
Mickey, I think you should really watch my makeup tutorials when they go live, learn, study. When I'm filming, come in here and watch.
Even now,
learn.
did you take notes?
Yeah.
Take notes with Kevin. So the next time we have this challenge, maybe you win. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys later in the next one. Bye! Bye, guys.